Even though I've made over $100,000 in pure profit with the TikTok Shop affiliate program, I'll admit there's problems with the program. So in today's video, I want to break down the pros and cons and help you decide if it's a good fit for you. Let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS and give you the truth when it comes to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Yes, there's a lot of opportunity, but that doesn't mean that there's problems and cons to the model. And just to preface, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been doing the affiliate program for the last 12 months. I've made over $100,000 while working about 4 hours per week. So I have made a lot of money, but I will admit there are problems and you need to be aware of them. So if you guys are new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. Okay, so let's jump into the first pro of TikTok Shop affiliates, and that is no inventory. This makes your life extremely easy. You don't have to worry about ordering inventory, spending the money to find the product and the manufacturer, shipping the products to the customer, handling all the fulfillment and logistics that are involved with inventory. Not to mention that is a lot of money to buy inventory. So you're not drop shipping with TikTok Shop affiliates, rather you are selling somebody else's inventory. So you are an affiliate. So when you make a video and somebody buys the product, you're not responsible for the fulfillment. The seller is. So that is a massive pro as an affiliate, is you don't have to carry the inventory. But on the flip side, that is a con. You have lower control. You're not the brand owner. You don't get to control the product listing, the price, whether or not you're running a flash deal, whether or not the product is out of stock or not, or whether or not the customer is getting the product on time. So yes, you don't have to worry about the fulfillment, but if the seller sucks and they're delivering the products damaged, they have bad quality, they're getting late shipments, you're going to get returns and your commissions will go down, and that video and product is not going to perform well. So again, there's pros and cons to it, but in my opinion, the pro outweighs the con, because not having to have the inventory, that's phenomenal. So that's the first one that I want to talk about. Let's jump into the second pro, and that is low startup costs. And in my opinion, this is one of the best reasons to be a TikTok Shop affiliate, because you don't have to spend the tens of thousands of dollars to build a brand. You don't have to buy the inventory. You don't have to get a trademark. You don't have to create a product listing. You don't have to get product images. You don't have to get product videos. You don't have to get product samples. You don't have to ship the products. You don't have to have employees. Like, there's a lot of things that are involved with building a brand. Now, not to say building a brand is not awesome, because I do that, but if you don't have the money to do it, then the affiliate program is the best option, because you don't have to spend all of that money. So if you're in a situation where you only have a couple $1,000 to your name, the affiliate program is a fantastic option for you to be able to start and grow to where then you can have some money to then be able to do some other ventures. So that is something very important to understand, is it's a low startup cost, and the affiliate account is actually completely free. You don't have to spend a monthly payments. Like if you sell on Shopify or if you sell on Amazon, you have to pay $40 a month to actually even sell. To be an affiliate, it's completely free. But on the flip side, that does create a con, and that you do have to have an account with 5,000 followers to get completely TikTok Shop affiliate unlocked. Now they do have what's called a pilot program, which I think is a complete waste. I wouldn't even shoot for 1,000 followers, because you're limited to only 5 posts, and 5 posts is not going to get you anywhere. So you do have to have an account with 5,000 followers. And for some, this is a hurdle that people are like, oh, I can't do this, and I just give up, and this is impossible. But good news for you, this technically isn't a con, because I can actually get you an unlocked account. We actually grow these organically, and we can get you an account that is ready to go. But yes, it does require some capital. So 5,000 followers is the criteria to get that account unlocked. But once you have it unlocked, it's game on. It's completely free, and you don't have to pay a monthly payment to maintain your affiliate eligibility. So if you guys are interested in an account, or if you already have 5,000 followers, you're ready to go. But I'll put the link in the description where you guys can jump on a call and we can break down the entire process on how you can get these accounts. So that is a big con, but there is a solution around it, so it's not the end of the world. So let's jump into the third one, the third pro, and that is quick, easy, and lucrative. People can literally start making money today. It's very easy to learn, and you can make a lot of money very quickly. We have students that are literally learning, starting, and making money within the first couple hours of joining our program. Because again, we get them the account, we show them what to do, and then you can start promoting a product instantly, because you don't have the inventory. You're promoting somebody else's product. So you can literally start making money in as quick as 24 hours, which is kind of crazy, and that is unheard of. And again, it's very easy and straightforward of a process. There's not a lot of complexity to the model. It's just, hey, get an account, find products, understand how to make the videos, post the products, products and be consistent and rinse and repeat, and you can succeed with the program. So that is a massive pro. But on the flip side, I will admit there is a con to that. You have no asset and it's a little bit more short term. And what I mean by this is you are promoting somebody else's product. And as a result, you are building really no asset. Your affiliate business, you can't really sell. It doesn't really have any value because you are the business. You are promoting somebody else's product. You are promoting somebody else's brand. So if in 6 months or if in 18 months, you spend all this time building the business, you can't sell it. And that is a bummer. Most people build a business so that they have the ability to exit and to sell. So I do want to be very transparent about that. Affiliate business, you can't really sell. It's not a sellable asset. And to me, that's a massive con because I want to build a business that I can sell. But again, do the pros outweigh the cons? And that's for you to decide. For me personally, if you're in a situation where you don't have the money, if you don't have the capital, then the affiliate program is phenomenal because again, if you don't have the money and if you don't have the capital, then you can't build an asset that's worth selling. So the affiliate business is a great option. The reason that I say short term is you don't know if the affiliate program is going to be around in 5-10 years. You just don't know. But what I do know is if you were selling the product, for example, you could be selling that product on other marketplaces. You could be selling it on your website. You could be selling it on Amazon. You could be selling it on Shopify. You could be selling it on Target. You could be selling it on Walmart. You could be selling it on TikTok. If YouTube soon rolls out a TikTok shop type program, you can sell it on YouTube, you can sell it on Instagram. There's other platforms that you can kind of pivot where as an affiliate, it's kind of harder to pivot because again, you don't have the brand itself. So that is where the short term comes into play. Again, you don't know how long term this is going to be. So that is something to consider. So those are the 3 so far. We'll jump into the 4th one, which is the affiliate program is extremely low risk. And what I mean by that is you don't have to fork up the money in inventory, in brand, in video, in product listings, in SEO, in ads, all of this stuff. You don't have to do that because somebody else is doing it for you. So that is a really cool part of the affiliate program is you don't have that massive risk of the tens of thousands of dollars in upfront kind of research and development, creating the brand, creating the products and all of that. You can just hit the ground running and basically go on somebody else's back of the work that they've already put in. So that is a massive pro in my opinion. And for those that don't have a high risk tolerance, again, this is a fantastic option for you. So now jumping into the con to that is even though there is low risk, there is a risk of getting your account suspended. Now, this is not very likely, but I have seen this happen. And it's because people are oblivious and just not educated and they don't understand the platform. They think that they're invincible. They think, oh, I don't need any help, or oh, I don't need to read terms of service, or oh, I don't need to do this. I'm just so good. I'm just going to do it on my own. And oh, this person is doing this. I'm going to do it and I'm going to do this. And they try to kind of cut corners and they try to cheat the system. And then as a result, they get their account suspended. And that can happen. Now, the good news is it shouldn't happen if you know what you're doing. And if you know what you're doing, then you won't have those issues and the risk will remain low. But for those that don't, then you are going to run into those issues where you get suspended, you get banned, you get copyright strikes, you violate terms of service, and boom, your videos are removed. And then boom, you are banned from the affiliate program. So that is an issue. And if you guys are concerned about that, if you guys want to get the proper education, proper knowledge to make sure that that does not happen, we have a school community group. It's the number one. We have over 4,000 members. We have tons of different courses, live trainings, weekly calls. You guys can join in the link in the description, and the price will not always be the same. So make sure to take advantage of it. But that is the 4th con is yes, your account can be suspended. So jumping into the 5th pro, and that is it's new and viral. And what I mean by this is TikTok Shop Affiliates is brand new. The opportunity is massive. There's so much opportunity and potential right now because it's new and it's hot and it's just crushing it. So now is the time to jump into it because it's new. And then the viral part is how TikTok is set up is any product, any video, as good as you are or not, or as sucky of a creator as you are, or doesn't matter about your followers or not, you can go viral. And this is one big misconception that I see affiliates or beginners make is they're like, oh, Trevin, you're successful because you have a lot of followers and you have a good loyal following. But good news for you, that has nothing to do with it. Because when you look at my metrics, my product sales and views that I'm generating are 99 99% coming from search and for you, and less than 1% is coming from my actual followers. So the revenue that I'm generating are not from my followers. And the people that are following me are actually just people like you that want to see what I'm doing, that are interested in like, oh, how is Trevin making the videos? So like that 1%, they're not even following me to buy the products. They're following me to learn how I'm selling the products. So that is one thing to understand. And that is a massive pro, is it's new. There's so much viral potential. So it doesn't matter where you're at, you can crush it because it's new, and just how TikTok is set up, you can go viral. So that's the last pro. Now, jumping into the last con, that is, it's harder to scale. And what I mean by this is you have to be putting in a lot of time and a lot of effort to continue to scale your affiliate account. And what I mean by this is you have lifespans of a product where you might have one go viral and it might crush it, but it might crush it for only 2 months. And if you don't have another product go viral in that time, well, then you're going to be like this. It's going to be a roller coaster. You're going to have 1 month where you do 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 in a month. Then the next month you might be doing 10,000 or 4,000. You just don't know, because it's a little bit harder to consistently scale, because again, you don't have the control. A product might go out of stock. Somebody might come into the market and make a video that's taking over your video. You don't have that flexibility and control because again, you're an affiliate. You're promoting somebody else's product. And how TikTok works is there's kind of ebbs and flows of products, and TikTok wants to promote the newest, latest trending product. And so if you're not constantly promoting those latest trending products, then you're going to kind of get washed out a little bit, and your results are going to kind of go down. And so if you're not constantly working on it, you're not just going to basically set it up and forget it. You have to be working on it consistently, constantly, basically every single day. And you need to be posting consistently every single day. Now, I don't want to scare you with that, because I've been posting consistently every single day for 12 months. I was posting about 5 videos. Now I'm posting 10 plus videos every single day. And I'm able to do it in less than 4 hours of work per week. Now I have systems and processes dialed down to be able to do that. At the beginning, that was not the case. But again, that's what the knowledge and the time and the experience that I've built to this point. And so as a beginner or as a new affiliate, you're just going to have to kind of figure that out. Or if you guys, again, want some help, I can give you guys an inside look and show you exactly how to replicate the process on how I'm doing it. But that is just the time and effort that you're going to have to put in, and you're going to have to be disciplined, and you're going to have to be consistent. So that is one thing to note, is it's going to be a little bit harder to scale for the long term. Now, again, for the short term, you can scale really quick, but for the long term, consistently for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, it is going to be a little bit harder. So that is just something to be aware of. So that's the truth. Those are the pros and cons. There are a lot of pros. There are cons. For me personally, I think the pros outweigh the cons, especially if you're in a situation where you don't have money. If you're broke and you don't have money to start another business, then the affiliate program is amazing. And even though I do have money to start other businesses, I'm still doing it because I'm making a lot of money with very little effort. And it's just pure profit straight to my bank account because I don't have any overhead. Like I don't have to spend ads. There's no complexity to the model. And so there's so much opportunity. So for me personally, I'm going all in. I love it. And again, the cons, you do need to be aware of them, but I do have solutions for the majority of them. So the 5K followers, you guys can get an account suspension. Again, with the education and the proper training, you should never have violations. And then the no asset short term, I don't really have control of that. Then harder to scale, I do have systems to be able to help you scale consistently over time, where as long as you're willing to put in that 4 hours per week, then you can scale for the long term because it's actually maintainable and the longevity of it is actually there. So that's the breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll put a bunch of resources in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.